I'm Ken Reed. We're now looking at page 22 of the DYO Green Building Decision Kit, wall page number 22, under the title Driveways, Walks, and Pathways. 22A is looking at non-porous concrete or asphalt, which is very commonly used everywhere. 22B is permeable concrete, a newer option that allows moisture to pass through, much better for runoff and water runoff problems. 22C is poured sidewalks and permeable paths. 22D is concrete lanes only driveways, as they used to build in the old days back in the turn of the century. And 22E, heated driveways and sidewalks. This is something that can be wasteful for energy or can be done in an energy efficient or even renewable energy manner.